I am Comrade Ali. In my opening speech, in my acceptance speech, I want to say Lamidi Apapa.
So can we get the names?
It's Comrade Alhaji Bashiru Lamidi Apapa, who until this hour the Deputy National Chairman of Labour Party, now the Acting National Chairman of the party. Apapa, APAPA. Gentlemen of the press, this meeting was convened to brief you on the latest concerning Labour Party. You are all aware that yesterday, 4th of April, the National Chairman of our party and 4 other officers were restrained by Abure High Court not to parade themselves as officers of the party. This is based on allegation of perjury, forgery, and so on and so forth. And because of that, this National Working Committee emergency meeting is taking place. Because in an organization like this, there is no room for vacuum, and therefore this National Working Committee meeting has graciously appointed me as the acting national chairman of the party, while Alhaji Saleh has been appointed as the acting secretary of the party. While Comrade Roland Daramola, who has been the financial secretary of the party, now handles both the office of the financial secretary and that of the treasurer. While Bishop Ruben Favor, who is the current chairman of our party in South, now occupies the position of the vice chairman and that of the organizing secretary. Equally, we also reviewed that recently there are some cases of suspensions that were badly handled. And this National Working Committee meeting has reviewed them, and the suspensions all over are hereby reviewed, and the officers affected were reinstated. With effect from now, the so-called officers should not parade themselves as officers of the party until the cases against them are treated or handled by the courts. Not only that, there are some, currently the Imo State gubernatorial primaries will be holding, that of Kogi will also be holding, Bayelsa will be holding. The former officers that were elected to conduct the primaries will no longer do that. This NEC section will decide, and NWC will decide on those that will represent the party in those states. Having said that, Gombe State, Rivers, the Excos, and Ogun State, the executives that were dissolved were reinstated forthwith. Based on all this, another issue will be decided later. Very soon, an emergency enlarged both National Working Committee and NEC meeting of the party will take place. And all relevant organs will be communicated accordingly. Once again, gentlemen, to press, I appreciate your coming. As the acting chairman, I will do all in my capacity to make sure that the Labour Party grows from strength to strength. Equally, cases that were badly handled will be reviewed in a very reasonable manner. Issue of mandate. Is that yes, we have complied with that. What that order says is that the lower organ of the party cannot suspend an officer at that level of national chairman of the party. That the lower organ of the party has no right to do that. So that's exactly what that judgment has explained.
You are sitting as the acting chairman. If you don't recognize the lower organ and you don't recognize the court which restrains the chairman from parading the group of that NWC from parading themselves, why are you in position now as that acting chairman?
Well, there are two different things. Let me explain it better. The one for Edo is about world executives that suspended the national chairman of the party, World Excos. This second one is a case that took place in Abuja High Court, and that's a criminal charge. It is criminal in nature. Perjury is criminal in nature.
Yeah.
And that one has nothing to do with the issue of suspension. It's restraining them from parading themselves as officers of this party. And because since there is no period, we cannot allow that the party not to have its executives. The party must grow, so there's no room for vacuum. And that is why.
Basically, you are acting on the order of the Federal Court.
Yes, yes, State High Court. Yes, yes.
On what ground? The issue of forgery, on the issue of forgery and criminal.
Yes, allegation of forgery and perjury, and so on and so forth. And restraining them from parading themselves.
That's clear.
Thank you so much. Thank you.